Hi everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to collect these. They are called Porkies. Well, that's what I call them. This is what they look like. I'm going to show you the correct way to collect them. This is what they look like on the inside. Please follow. As you can maybe hear, they rattle inside. So, I'm going to do it here. Our camera person could come down here. Okay. Now, watch my foot meet it. This is what the brown ones look like inside.
They're dried.
This is what we will be collecting. And it's very lucky to find a unbroken spiky thingy. This is what we will be collecting.
We have tons of them.
Yes, we do. We have lost them now.
Let's get started.
Let's get started now. I will leave these in a pile. And leave these in a pile. Let's go. Alright, we will start out with this one. You are going to take it, but not really grab it, or else you're going to hurt yourself. You just break it off. And then you break off. Or not. I will leave the pile here. On here. Let's go over. Oh, look. There's another one waiting for us. Ow! We have gotten it.
Put it into a little pile.
Alright, let's start over in here. Oh, look, a little helpless one. Here we go. Ow! 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 Collect them as shown. Got it. Be careful. The milk inside of this is sticky. So far, we have gotten 3.
Here's some right here. There's a big one.
Oh, look, a big one. Oh, there are also 2 more down there that we will soon get. All right. Oh, look. Ow! Here's a big, spiky one. Excuse the dog, that's wrong. Yo, camera. Watch it. We'll give these. Ow! Over to it. Okay. Look, there's a baby frog here. Woo! Right here. There it is.
Where did it go? Where is it? Let's see if our camera... Right there. There it is. Nice little frog. We are sorry to disturb it.
Alright, come over. Get it to maybe hop away from our things. There we go. Alright. Almost there. A few more painful things. Ah! As shown, we have gotten 4. 5 now.
What do we need? Total 10?
We've gotten 5. We might get up to 10 or 8.
sound.
Ah, yes. Let's see. No frogs? Okay. We are good to go. Oh, this one was an easy thing. Make sure you get these little things off. Make sure you get these off. We don't want those. We have a total of 6. Let's go back to our spot. Ow! Ow! Woo! Yeah! Okay. Stop it, cameraman. Keep the video rolling. And stop laughing. Ow! Oh. As you can see, I'm getting very hurt. Ow! Okay, let's let that one be. Here's a baby. Oh, this one. Ah, perfect. Don't want that. Let's get closer. You are always... Ah, there we go. If you get a stem, that is quite okay. We have a lot spotted in here. Some you may not get. So let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. Yippee!
Prize ring.
Here's another head. This one has a bunch of our collections that we need. That makes it 8. I spotted a few.
Right here.
Ah, I see. It came off very easily.
Our collection has been almost.
We have
completed.
9 right now. We need just one more.
Here's one. Here's a little one. Right there. Be careful. Right here.
Oh,
Collection is great. Completed.
no, this one's garbage.
This one has rotten away.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We still need one more.
I think
I'm going to risk some pain.
Oh God. Right through there. Can't find it.
Yes. Right here. You may also twist it. We have gotten our 10th and final one.
Okay. Now what do we do with them? Throw them.
Smash them. For their prize.
Okay, let's go over here.
Oop.
Okay.
Thank you. Alright, we'll start out by crushing all of them at once. And
See
then-
how much gets the goodest. Okay, that one's dry. But it has something in it. It
has bunches.
It's food.
What is that?
Food. For animals.
Huh?
Food. For animals.
No, not really.
The little pets. They're stickers and they. Look at that. Second one. Here.
No
I'm gonna
good.
Clean that up. Healthy. Not healthy. Healthy. Not healthy. Healthy. Not healthy. Not healthy.
Let's do this one last, 'cause this one looks really good.
Next. Not healthy.
Okay, let's try this one. Not doing this one. Ooh, healthy.
Okay, so there's like a walnut in it. I don't know.
Okay. You squashed it.
Yeah, you squished the thing. Okay. Healthy, healthy, healthy. Here's another one.
Hey, we want that. These are the spiky things that we like.
Spikies. Alright, two more.
Last. Okay, here we go. That one was not healthy.
Okay, so I'm just gonna take note. The best one for last.
Okay,
It's
go
nice
on.
and full. First, let's get. Well, at least
Where you got those from?
There. They're
what?
filled with them.
On the trees?
yeah,
The
on that.
bushes.
I tried to get some more.
What's it for?
And the best for last, the biggest.
To get viewing on that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
There we go. Oh, it is humongous. Okay. Smaller.